Hello, YouTube. This game is a demo for gameplay, and new features that we add to the full game, mainly for random events and special structures. Because Baldi's basics have made a change, and I went and got the demo so I can play it for you folks. I'm gonna most likely die of paranormal elements and creepy stuff. And now for new level stuff for new Baldi's Basics demo. Also, warning: this game is an actual horror game. Oh boy! Roll intro tune.
Let's get this madness rolling.
So everything seen here is subject to change.
Hello everyone, so here's the full public demo, and Baldi actually talked weirdly. And also, everything's
For all I know, the final product could be a free-to-play match 3 in-app purchase.
really interesting. Well, it's loading. I did not like that last. What the?
Let's play hide and seek.
Hide and seek? No thank you. Let me out. What am I gonna do? Nothing? Okay, well. Whatever. Baldi's gone weird.
Ready or not, here I come.
Wait, what? Alright! No, what? No, alright, wait then!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Run!
Let's play again.
How do I get the apple? How do I get the apple? Let me get the apple! Ah! Run! On my way, sock. Give me that first notebook. First notebook. Get the 8. No, what's going on? Lag, glitching, no fun. Oh, hello, principal thing. Nope. Move it. Look behind me. Nothing. Gotta get the 8 notebooks. Gotta get items. And gotta survive. Be quiet. I got it. Be quiet in school, kids. Wait. Now I'll take this coin. No, open. Wait, what? Gotta go. Why is my... Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah, my ears!
Well,
Rematch.
let's play hide and seek.
Don't care. I'm not cheating. It's called using my brain. Let me see. Wait, what? Come on! Oh, dang it. Principal thing. Okay, take it.
15 seconds. Detention for you.
Yeah, I got it.
Your parents will hear about this one.
Let me see. What is this? Tape record. Don't have a tape. Dang it. Come on, hurry up and undetention me. Undetention. Ah. No. I hate you, playtime right now. Although I like you as a character and unique and you're one of my favorites in Baldi's Basics right now, it is not a good time to play.
4, 5. Let's play.
Make it on for it.
Play again.
Run, grab the chocolate. Why won't I grab the chocolate? Nothing, no, thank you, nothing like that. Oh. Why didn't you come after me since I was running? Well, maybe it's a thing. Okay, he's not behind me. Oh, you stupid keypad. No bugging out on me now. Need to find the next one. 25 cents, I don't care, I don't need a call. I need to grab this notebook. Oh, no running. Just slowly walk. Make sure he's happy. Then, What is that? I don't care what this thing is, I'm just going. I'm going for it. Oh, I know what this does. Let's get the padlock. Then, get the button press. Ha! That should slow him down. That should most certainly slow him down. Now he's going to have to take an alternate route. Bye, Baldi.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Oh no! Where is it? Where's the sweeping?
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep,
Ah, that noise! What's that, Bell?
0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What the? What the? Those doors just shut? What? Please tell me there's a way out. Please tell me there's a way to escape. Please tell me I can get this way out. And where's my stamina? Why can't I run? Wait, ain't there? No, it's not. Why are you here, sock Fane? Oh no. No, no. What? Wait, what? No, that's bad. That's bad. Let me see. Let me in, let me in. Move it. Why does that suck everywhere I go? Where is he? Where is she? Where's playtime? Nope, 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 not now. Ah, get the notebook. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Running capabilities back. Every time I get a notebook is when I can run. Gotcha. Oh, no. Oh, what the? I know!
Demo. The game is still in development, so everything's here to change.
I know. Anyway, folks, I hope you like and subscribe. Hit that button for the latest video. Share this video. I'm gonna play one more time before I end this. I want to see what this says.
For all I know, the final product could be a
Yes.
free-to-play match.
Yes, well, I'm gonna play one more time, and also share this video with us and comment down below what you think of the new Baldi's Basics demo. Now it's yeah, whatever. Don't care about your opinion, Baldi. Go, go, go. Run for the next notebook. Run for the next notebook. I hate that sound. Yep, I hate that sound. I hate that sound. I hate that sound so much. Can't have that one just checking. He's not there. Go, go, go. Get a cassette. Get a cassette. Get a cassette. Get. No one. Okay, everything's going well. I'm not gonna die to by Baldi's hands in a simple game of hide and seek. You call it hide and seek, I call it brutality. Why would anyone hire Baldi as a teacher? Why is the principal thing why he does all this stuff? There's so much to theorize and question the sanity of humanity. Oh, what the? Nope, 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 nope. Run, run. Get away from me. Get away from me. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, I hate you so much. It actually takes more routes now. That is scary. Okay, get to the very end of the hall. Get to the very end of the hall.
like it's sweeping time.
Ah! Oh, you're going to sweep back a little, but dang it. Okay. I'm at the edge. Just wait now. Oh, you gotta get me. Nope, 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 nope. Nope! Oh, are you kidding me? I hate my luck. Whatever. I'm out! I mean, you probably forgot about me, right? Yeah, Principal Taney's not coming. Ha ha! He must have forgot about it because he got caught by a sweeper. I don't care about you, boy. I don't have any food anyway. And oh no, 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 no.
Take your candies for the generous donation.
That's a fast price! Boy, come and get your present. Well, where's the principal's office? Dang it. I don't know where the principal's office is. Maybe it's this classroom. Maybe it's this here. Okay, what is it? Okay, I'll take the grappling hook. Yes, I want the grappling hook. Alright, where did she come from?
You should know.
For me? Thanks.
Oh, yes! Oh, thank my luck! What? No! Oh, come on! I was.
Baldi's Basics full game.
I know.
public
Anyway,
demo.
folks, this is
The game
crazy.
is still in development, so everything seen here is subject to change.
I need to silence that for a sec so I can actually say something. Thank you very much, Baldi. I have had it with your voice. I'm probably gonna take a nice long nap and have haunting
I-
dreams.
The final
Folks, while I have living nightmares, I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is Crazy Boy, and I'm out of here. I'm out of here.